standard students. And as you people know that we have completed the poem Double Trouble. So yes children, now first let us read the poem once and then we will solve the lesson behind the grammar part. So here children, now you have to open page number 36 in your textbook. Page number 36 and this is unit 10. Yes children, this is unit 10, poem number 12. Double Trouble. Yes. So let me read the poem once children. Sometimes I'm called Catty, sometimes I'm called Anne. This is because most people don't know who I am. It's nice to have a sister, but a cause of all the troubles is I am just like Catty and Catty is my double. My uncle says I bet it's fun pretending you are each other. My auntie wishes one of us had been the other's brother. It's not much fun when my friend Jill comes round to have her tea. She sometimes plays with Catty thinking that it's me. My mom knows what to call me. My granddad's almost sure. And now there is way of knowing who we haven't had before. Catty's lost her front tooth, so all she has to do, she smiles and grills at everyone, then she knows who's who. Yes, this was the poem. So we will start solving the lesson behind the grammar part. The question answers will be sent to you by the assignment. So here, make proper sentences. First main meanings, second main question answers. So this will be the third main. Make proper sentences. Make proper sentences. So first one is what here? 7 in week their days are 7 in a week, 8 days are. Second one, is animal huge? Is animal huge? The elephant. The elephant. Third one. The third is here. Moonlight. Moon. Light. The has its of no or. Yes. So here now we will start writing the answers children. First we will write the 3 answers of these children and then we will move to the next one. Fourth one more I write. 60 and 60 and in there are minutes are. Now we will solve the next answers. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now here, what I've asked children, make a proper sentence. Means the sentences are not in the correct order. When we read the sentence is not having a meaning. It is meaningless, children. Yes, the sentence is meaningless. So here, 7 in week, their days 8 are. So the answer is what here? First we should write there. How many days are in a week, children? Then how we answer? There are 7 days in a week. So there are 7 days in a week. Yes, this is the answer. Is animal huge? The elephant. So here, children, how is the animal? The elephant is a huge animal, means big animal. Yes, the elephant is a huge animal. Huge animal. Next, moonlight, the has its of no own. The moon has no light of its own. Yes, the moon. What we have to write? Moon has no. What it is not having? Light. Light of its own. The moon has no light of its own. Next, 60 and in their hour, minute, hour. Yes, it has come down, children. I'll write little r. Here and there, no problem. Fourth one. What is the fourth one here? 60 and in their hour, minute, hour. The answer is there are. How many minutes are there in 1 hour, children? How many minutes? When the second hand moves, how many minutes? Then we call it as 1 hour. 60 minutes. Yes. So here the answer is there are 60 minutes in an hour. Yes. There. Yes. First we'll write there are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Next sentence is what here? Fifth one. Summer was warm, the bright morning, and summer was warm. Summer was warm, the bright morning, the bright morning, and so the sixth answer. The summer morning was warm and bright. Yes. The Write them in alphabetical order. Yes, children. 5 things. What all things we can find in the kitchen? Many things are there. Yes or no? Many things. Like gas stove is there, and then cups are there, dabbas are there, boxes are there, and then dustbin is there, flasks is there, plates are there. Yes, pot is there, knife is there, mixer is there, so many things. So, first what we will write? First, and what we have to do? We have to write any 5 names, and those names we have to arrange in the alphabetical order. So, first we will write here, this is 4th name. Think of 5 things. Think of 5 things you can find in the kitchen. Write them in the alphabetical order. Write them in the alphabetical order. 5 things. Any 5 things we have to name first. Okay. So what are things we see, children? We see many different types of things in the kitchen. Yes or no? We see many different types of things. So first we will write the names, what things we see, and then we will arrange them in the alphabetical order. Now here I will take first mixer. Mixer is very important. Then gas stove. Gas stove. And then plates. Okay. Then bowls. Then what? Spoons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things I wrote which are very important. Without this, the kitchen is empty. Yes or no? So now, which letter will come first here, children? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means what? ABCD ಬರೀತೀನಿ alphabetical order. Yes. ಅದೇ order ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So first comes what here? A. Now A is not there. Yes or no? A is not there. So what we will write? First after A which letter will come? B. So here B O L bowls. Then after B, C is not there, D is not there, E is not there, F is not there. After F which letter will come, children? G. So gas stove. Gas stove. Then G, H, no word. I, no. J, no. K, no. L, no. The next comes what? M. So here mixer. M, N. From N also no. O, no. P, plates. P, S, that is spoons. So first we wrote the 5 names that we can see in the kitchen every day. Then those names only I have arranged in the alphabetical order. Now next. Name 5 means of transport. See, second one they have asked, children. Name 5 five means of transports. Transports. Write them. Write them in alphabetical order. Yes, they have asked to write, and then they have asked to write them in the alphabetical order. So, means of transport. What are the means of transport, children? First is aeroplane, then bus, yes, then ship. Ship is also means of transport, na? Yes, and then we can say train, and then car. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there, children? 5 are there. How many are there? 5. Now this 5 only, what we have to do? We have to write them in the alphabetical order. Yes? So see, first one A, aeroplane as it is. Aeroplane. First one is aeroplane. Then next after A comes what? B, bus as it is. Then C, car. C, Q, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, ship. And then the last is train. Yes, like this way we have to arrange. Then next word is what now? Next, name 5 jobs that people do. Yes, name 5 jobs that people do. Write them. Write them in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. 5 jobs. See, first is what here? Fly. Who will fly? The pilot will fly. And then the next is what here? Drive. Who will drive, children? Who will drive? The drivers will drive the bus, car, truck, lorries, many other things. Yes, and then here, sell. Vegetable seller, he will sell the vegetables. Yes or no? And then next, painter, what he will do? He will paint. Yes, and then the next is, last is what? Teach. What the teacher will do? She will teach. So here. Now we have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. So here first one is what now? D. Drive. A, B, C, D. E is not there. F. Fly. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. O, P. P, Q, R, S. Sell, and the last is teach. This is textbook activity. This is another textbook. 1, 2, 3. These 3 you have to write only in your textbook. This is not a textbook. Notebook. Okay, children? Okay. Next. This main you have to write in your notebook. So next will be the fifth one. Circle the silent letter in these words. Circle the silent letter in these words. Yes. So here first one is what here? Walk. Second one, put. Third one, comb. Fourth one, school. Fifth one, knife. Sixth one, wrong. Seventh one, thumb. Eighth one, no. Ninth one, V. 10th one, 5. 11th one, answer. 12th one, knee. 13th one, right. Yes. So now here children, what we have to do? Silent letters. When we are pronouncing the word, which letter will not come in the pronunciation, that letter we have to circle, children. Okay. For example, walk. W-A and K is pronounced. L pronounce agangilla. Yes or no? L is not pronounced. Now when we pronounce apple, see, this full spelling is pronouncing. Yes or no? Bat, B-A-T, see, B-T, bat, B-T, bat. We pronounce all the three letters. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು words ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Some words are silent. They are not pronounced. Some letters in some words, some letters are silent. We don't pronounce them. Yes, we leave that letter and then we pronounce the name of the word, children. So here W-A-L-K, walk. L we are not pronouncing, so circle this letter L. Yes, circle the letter L. Next, C-O-U-L-D, could. Here also L is not wrong. Could. We see. Here again L is not pronounced, so circle this letter L. Yes. Next, here comb. We will not say comb. What we say? Comb. C-O-M. C-O-M-E, come. How we pronounce C-O-M-E? Come. Here E also comes in the pronunciation. Here comb. So pronounce. B is not pronounced. B is silent. Next. School. 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 See, here H. H is not pronounced. School. School. Yes or no? Next. N-I-F-E. Knife. Knife. We are pronouncing the word knife by the letter N. N ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Knife ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But ಅಲ್ಲಿ K ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? K is silent. What is K here? K is silent. Yes, children. Next. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. Wrong. Wrong is what, children? Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. We are pronouncing the word wrong with the letter R-O-N-G. Wrong. But W is silent. What is W here? W is silent. Yes. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Thumb ಅಂದ್ರೆ thumb ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. B ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ pronunciation. We don't take B. Thumb. No. Thumb. What we say? Thumb. So the word ends with the letter M. But B is not coming in the pronunciation. So B is what here again? B is silent. B is silent. Next. K-N-O-W. No. 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 I know. I have done my exams well. I know. I did my exams well. So, no. No. Here again, K is silent, children. What is silent? K is silent. N-O-W. No. We pronounce no. Now. No. Yes. 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 W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Wheel. H is again silent, children. H is what here? H is silent. Wheel. We pronounce wheel. W-E-E-L. Wheel. H is silent. ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದು. Yes. Next. F-I-V-E. Five. 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 F-I-V-E. Five. Fire. When we pronounce fire, F-I-R-E. This R-E also we pronounce. But here the E is silent. The E is what here? Silent. Five. Five. Yes? Five. Five. That is different. That is wrong method. Yes. Next. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. 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 W is silent. What is silent here? W. W is what, children? Silent. Next is what? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. What is knee, children? Knee means what? Where it is in the body part? Huh? To your hands or to your legs? To your legs, children. Yes or no? So this knee, K is silent. What is silent? We are pronouncing N-E-E, knee. But here K is silent. Yes. W-R-I-T-E, right. Right. R-I-T-E, right. We are pronouncing only this word. But this letter is what here? Silent. W is silent. Yes, children. So we have completed this topic with the explanation of this poem behind the grammar. Children, this I had said you how to do this. You have to spot out the difference between the two pictures and then circle them. Okay, and where which picture is not there, you have to draw by seeing the both the pictures. This is activity and this is homework for you people, and this is only textbook activity, children. Don't do this in the notebook. Yes. Yesterday I had taken you all the live class also. I have taken the revision for you people. Yes, children. So, in coming days also, I will communicate with you in the live classes. So, children, please attend the live classes too. Thank you, children. Have a great